Hey, what's up guys? This is PTC channel. So, I'm back from the videos. So, ngayon it's January 20, 2026. So, I'm back from the videos. So, ngayon may pumili tayo syempre kahapon ng ayan. So, yan. Ito ang binili natin, guys. Itong Hot Wheels Year 2026. Ayan, guys. So, siya ay Hot Wheels Legends Tour. So, ito ang Hot Wheels Dream Garage. Ayan, napakaganda, guys. So, kulay shiny black. Ayan. Napakaganda, oh, guys. Talagang etong binili natin, guys, sa Toys R Us ng 129 pesos. Napakamura. Ayan guys, ito pangalan niya. Po Post it if you read. Di ko mabasa. La Liebreba guys. Di ko mabasa. Ayan, it says, made from Mattel, Hot Wheels Dream Garage. And there's a picture of the car. Year 2026, Hot Wheels. And the back of the packaging, it says, Mattel empowering generations through play. It says Hot Wheels Dream Garage. It says La Liebre. Yan. It says Hot Wheels Legends Tour. Okay, yan. Michelin siya. Post it if you read. Ayan. It's a real car. Okay, yan. Alright. So, I love this car also. But I'm so happy to have this on my hand. So, if you like this video guys, so leave a comment and like, subscribe. Don't forget the notification. 187 subscribers. See you guys next time. Bye, guys.